Hi friends, good evening. This is Anmol. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Profitable Stock Trading with Charting Scanner. Friends, I hope you all are doing well and you are trading every day. Guys, it has been approximately 3 months. I have not uploaded any video, and though I was trading in the live market and I was simultaneously creating a few strategies. And today I am here once again with a new video with a new strategy which I'll be introducing in a while. First of all, as usual, as a part of process, we will check the time, which is 6:27, and the date is 31st July 2021, and it is Saturday today. So, guys, today I am introducing a new strategy, which is a fixed weekly stock strategy. This strategy can be used for scalping. This strategy can be used for short term trades, like for a week at least, provided you should be capable enough to understand the move of the stocks. But that works really well for swing trading, and I'm sorry, for scalping. Right, when we say scalping, the first thought comes to our mind is which stock to pick and which to avoid for scalping. Let's say if we want to buy something at 100 rupees, now we need to be very sure that it should go to 100 rupees and 50 paisa, right? So that we can buy the stock in quantity like 1000 or 2000 or 5000 stocks and get out of it in just 50 paisa, right? So that within a fraction of second our profit comes into our pocket. But for that we need to know that which stock is going to cross a certain level, right? We need to be aware that if this level is broken, then certainly we will get some jump in the stock, so that confidently we can buy the stock. So now look at this, guys. Let me turn on the marker. Okay, so guys, this is the strategy: current week fixed stocks. Look at it. Okay, now it says current week fixed stocks. Okay, now we will see how this entire process works. So we will see that there are only these scanners in this page. So this is the entire week fixed stock section. Okay, and this is going up, this is going down. As usual in my other scanners, you will see that always there are these two segments, for the updation of every now and then, that which stock is going up and which stock is going down. So simultaneously, out of these stocks, these two scanners will keep on telling you throughout the day, every day, that which stock is going down and which stock is going up, like this. So this is the end of the session result on Friday. So TCS was going down. So let's check how this tells you. TCS. I'll come to the strategy, but first of all, it is required for us to understand that how it works. So we will go to 1 minute chart and we will see that TCS made the lowest point at the end of the day, right? It was at its day's low, so that is why it is telling you that TCS is going down. Okay, had it been the case here at 3 o'clock, at 3 2, this could have told you that TCS is going down, right? So simultaneously, whenever the stock is making higher high of the day, this will tell you. Whenever the stock is making lower low of the day, this going down section will tell you. Now let's first understand how this strategy is designed. Okay, so this strategy is designed on fixed stocks, and you will get this fixed stocks on every Monday. When the week starts on Monday, you will get few stocks every day in this list, and these stocks are going to be constant from Monday to Friday. Okay, let's say on Monday, if the scanner tells you that Amar Raja is the stock, then Amar Raja is going to stay there for the entire week. Not like the other scanners that they will tell you every now and then new stock, right? Every day a new stock comes in the scanner. This is not going to be the case. However, the level will definitely change as per the fluctuation in the market, and simultaneously every other stock will remain constant from Monday to Friday. Now, the stocks which you are able to see here, these were the stocks which were identified by the scanner this gone week. Okay, and I was aware that these are the stocks which I have to trade throughout the week if I would like to, do a scalping trade. Right. Now how this works, see, this is the percentage change section, this is the price section. This will change every day, this will change every day. Today's high will change every day. Okay, today's low will change every day, but this is not going to change every day. Monday opening price, what was the price when the stock opened on Monday, right? Now this will change according to the highs and lows which were made by the stocks in a week. So let's say on Monday, if the stock opened at 700 and made a high of 730, right? So 730 would be considered as its weekly high. Now let's say after making this 730 high on Monday and the stock makes 740 on Thursday, then 740 will be shown here because that will be the high of the week. Got it? So let's remove it. So this is how this works. Now current week low is not going to I'm sorry, it is going to change as per the lows which were made by the stocks individually throughout the week. Right now the most part is that how to take an entry, how to put a stop loss, how to put a target, how to get out of the stock in profit. That's the major thing. Now look at this section. Once again, look at this section. This is the section which will tell you, and again this section is going to be the constant section throughout the week. Okay, now these are the levels. It says buy above this level, upside target can be this, upside target 2 can be this, right? Now sell below, if somebody has to sell below, right, what would be the level? Sell below would be this level, downside target would be this, which means if it breaks this 711.35, it should go to 699.45. Downside target, then if it breaks 699.45, it should break this level. Now what is going to be the stop loss? What is going to be the stop loss? The stop loss is constant for buying and selling trades. No matter if you are buying a stock, no matter if you are selling a stock. Which means, as an example, let's say if we buy Amar Raja, if Amar Raja breaks 732.25, now what is going to be the stop loss? The stop loss is going to be 720.35, right? But is it really necessary to put this long stop loss for scalping? If we are gaining approximately 1 or 2 point in every stock for the scalping, can we put this long stop loss? No, we cannot. Now in the real scenario, then we will have to check that how the stock is performing. Okay, we will have to look at 5-minute candles. Right, when you will contact me guys for this scanner, I mean whosoever wants to grab the scanner, if you will contact me and if you are interested in scalping procedure, then I'll tell you how to put a stop loss and how to exit out of the trade. Now let's check how the stock performed throughout the week. Let's check Amar Raja. Amar Raja, it says that buy above 732 and target would be 741. Now it did not break 732 level. And for your information, Amar Raja, I guess this was the ex-dividend stock, right? So I really don't care which is going to be ex-dividend or not. But yes, this was the ex-dividend stock. So this never achieved that level. This never crossed that level, 732, because 730 was the high of the stock for the entire week. Now in Shree Cement was identified by the scanner and it said that 28,421.90 का level जब टूटेगा then you need to buy this. 28,421 जब टूटा then it went to 28,473. Okay, and the opening price is this price for the week. मंडे को ये स्टॉक कहाँ ओपन हुए थे वो प्राइस यहाँ पर कैप्चर हो जाएगा एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द वीक. राइट नाउ Lupin scanner said to buy Lupin at above 1193 and again it did not break the high. So now how to get the stocks which are crossing the level? So this section will tell you. That is why These two different sections are designed to understand, because manually it might not be possible for it might be possible for me because I'm habitual of using this, right? But somebody who is new to the system, who is new to the scanner, might not be aware that how to pick a stock. How would I know that this stock is breaking this high? Because these are many stocks in this section, right? Some week these can be more, some week these can be less. The number of stocks can be less, the number of stocks can be more, depending upon the stock filtration by the scanner. Right. Now, how to understand that which stock was successful in trading and which stock was not? Divis Lab. Successful bullish trades, successful bearish trade. Because the market was at the downside since last 2 weeks. Right. The market trend is negative as of now, and however the overall market is in range bound. As you can see, it is not going to get any direction. It is not getting any direction as of now since last approximately a month, I would say, right? So the market is range bound. The entirely range bound trading has been happening in the market. So now look at this. Davis Lab Monday को open हुआ 4824.25 पे. Scanner told you to buy it at above 4875, then it went to 4944. So this was a successful trade, right? Another stock, Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, scanner told you to buy above 1743.92, और इसने आपको फिर 1753 का लेवल दिखा दिया. Then SBI above 432.95. Even I traded SBI. I got approximately 75,000 profit in SBI, and this was a sharp up move. And this was the move which was captured on expiry day on Thursday. You can check the chart. Let's check the chart here. SBI का चार्ट, this was the expiry move by SBI, 29th of July. Look at this. यहाँ से शार्प राइज आया और इसने उसी दिन ये टारगेट अचीव कर लिया, right? Even I suggested to buy SBI to my few clients in live market, and they might have got good profit out of it, and I earned. मैंने इसका एक्सपायरी का कॉल लिया था 440 का, approximately 1 lakh quantity थी, and that was I bought it at 10 पैसा only, and I exited at 75 पैसा, wherein it could reach to 1 rupees 40 पैसा, approximately 1.5 लाख का प्रॉफिट होता, बट मैंने जल्दी उसको एग्जिट कर दिया. Never mind. Another stock. Okay, so these were the three trades which were successful on bullish part. Then the other part is the bearish part. Now look at this. Bearish में इसने बोला आपको sell below at 711, downside target 699, approximately 10 रुपए का. But okay, so guys, having said that, this is a scalping scanner does not mean that you can stick to scalping. You can apply your own brains, okay? Because any which ways, any scanner, whether this is the one or whether this is the one, this is my another setup for the intraday trades, right? Whether any other scanner, okay, this is another strategy, scalping strategy I'm going to launch very soon, and I'm trading on these scanners, and these are really effective, right? Like the jackpot is a swing strategy. A lot of people are using jackpot along with me as well. So no matter any scanner, guys, you have to apply your own brains as well. You have to be aware of the chart structure, the market behavior, the price movement, the news in stock, the events, right? There are so many things which will impact the market and which can change the mood of the stock all of a sudden, right? So let's say if you're buying something at here, and if you think that this is going to go up because it is breaking its weekly high or maybe monthly high, that might not be the case, right? Look at this. So I'll select one day and I'll tell you what happened. See, look at this. This was in a tight range. SBI was in a tight range for a longer period of time. This is the days chart, right? So as soon as it broke 434, 435 level, There are so many people who might have jumped. Even I jumped it, but I exited out the trade in profit because I am aware that the stock is reaching its crucial resistance level. If this stock has to go up furthermore to 460, 470, 500 levels, it is not going to go in one rally. Every time that does not happen, right? It's a rare scenario with um, Adani stocks and rare scenario with JSW Steel like stocks, right? And few others as well. So the stock always not going to go up in one go. The stock would go up, would go down, may consolidate for few days, right? Let's say if the stock has to go up, the stock will consolidate here. The stock has to consolidate before the further rise. So there are four structures of the market. Some people you might be aware of, some people might not be aware of. There are few structures like rally based. I always tell this to my clients, right? So they need to understand. I mean, we need to understand together, right? So rally based rally, the stock would go to from this level to this level, okay? It will sustain there, it will stay there, and then it should break the level once again, the consolidation period, right? That's what it looks like. Rally based, and the rally is going to start, but will it sustain? That's a question, right? Nothing is fixed in this market, guys. You need to understand this as a trader. If you are trading in the market, if you are not taking this stock market as a gambling, if you are taking this as a serious business, you need to understand your concepts. You need to open up your eyes, right? This is rally based rally. This is one structure of the market. Another one is rally and then based and then drop. This structure is rally based drop, which means rally हुई, यहाँ पर आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हुआ और यहाँ पर स्टॉक नीचे आ गया. Then again, drop based rally, ड्रॉप आया किसी स्टॉक में, बेस बना, एक्यूमुलेशन हुआ और रैली स्टार्ट हो गई. एंड देन फर्दर इज ड्रॉप बेस्ड ड्रॉप, drop based drop. These are the four basic structures of the market. You need to understand this, right? If you will not understand this, you will not be able to gain continuous profit from the market. Anyways, let's come to this point now. So it suggested to sell the stock at this level 711 के नीचे बेचने के लिए बोला, एंड देन करंट वीक का लो इसने 693 मार दिया. एक अच्छा सेल हमें मिल गया. The other was श्री सीमेंट. श्री सीमेंट इसने बोला 27,684 के नीचे बेचिए, और इस वीक का लो 27,162 का. आप देख रहे हैं कितना बड़ा जंप आपको यहाँ पर सेल साइड में मिल गया, जबकि स्टॉक ओपन कहाँ पर हुआ था? 27,900 पे, श्री सीमेंट. So when you are taking a bet, you need to understand whether you, the trade which you have captured is good to stick to it, or you have to exit it out, looking at the stock behavior. So these are just the levels. Scanner is not going to take any guarantee that yes, अगर वो level break होता है तो आपको bumper profits आएंगे. Bumper profits निकालना आपके हाथ में है. Scanner is a way to understand the stocks, to identify the stocks, to filter out the stocks. Further, how you trade on them, that is up to you. See this. Okay, श्री सीमेंट, ये वीक कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? ये वीक स्टार्ट हुआ था 26 को. सो 26 को ये स्टॉक कहां पर ओपन हुआ था? लेट्स चेक दिस. 26 को ये स्टॉक यहां पर ओपन हुआ था 27,900 पर, और इसका हाई था 28,220. 27,900. आप यहां पर ऊपर देखिए, इस लेवल को देखिए. जब मैं उस डे पे कर्सर रख रहा हूं तब आप यहां पर देखिए, 27,900 को ओपन हुआ, इसका हाई 28,222 था, और उसके बाद इसने ये लो मार दिया, विच मीन्स जब ये लेवल ब्रेक हुआ तब आपने यहाँ पर शॉर्ट किया और आपको प्रॉफिट मिल गया, राइट। इसी तरह से ये सारे लेवल्स हैं, आप इस वीडियो को पॉज करके चेक कर सकते हैं एक एक लेवल को कि कौन सा लेवल कब हमें प्रॉफिट देकर गया। अभी देखिए, देखने वाली बात यहाँ पर है डिविस लैब। डिविस लैब आपको सक्सेसफुल बेयरिश में भी दिख रहा है, सक्सेसफुल बुलिश में भी दिख रहा है, विच मीन्स इसने दोनों लेवल को रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए हमें दोनों साइड प्रॉफिट दिया है। तो ऐसे भी सिनेरियोज बनेंगे व्हेन यू कैन टेक द ट्रेड्स ऑन बोथ साइड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन विच लेवल इज बीन ब्रोकन फर्स्ट, राइट। अगर अपसाइड लेवल फर्स्ट ब्रेक हो रहा है, इसने बोला 4875 के ऊपर बाय कीजिए और आपको 4944 के लेवल मिल गए, जबकि ओपन ये हुआ था 4824 पे, 4824 पे ओपन हुआ, स्कैनर ने बोला 4875 के ऊपर बाय कीजिए और आपको 4944 के लेवल आपको मिल गए। उसके बाद सेल बिलो 4754 के नीचे आपको बेचने को बोला और इसका जो लो बना 4669 का बना। तो डिविस लैब ने आपको दोनों साइड का अच्छा मूव दे दिया। अगर आपको वीकली फिक्स्ड ट्रेडिंग करनी है, सी लुक एट दिस, तो ये दोनों तरफ दोनों जगह गया। ये देखिए, ये इसकी विक है 4671 वाली और ये है इसका पूरे वीक का स्ट्रक्चर। हाउएवर इफ at a glance if we will have a look at the stock, this is a range bound structure, right? But range bound structure में आपको बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं दोनों तरफ ट्रेड करने की, ठीक है। So this is how it works and this is the weekly fixed stock strategy. Now there is another scalping scanner which I have created and this is unlike this one. यहाँ पर आपको पूरे वीक स्टॉक्स दिखेंगे बट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द केस विद दीज टू स्कैनर्स, ठीक है। यहाँ पर आपको वही स्टॉक फिल्टर होके आएगा जिसमें मोमेंटम बनेगा और इस स्कैनर के आप अलर्ट सेट नहीं कर सकते, इस स्कैनर के आप अलर्ट सेट नहीं कर सकते। आप अगर अलर्ट सेट करेंगे माइट बी द पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपको काफ़ी सारे अलर्ट्स इसमें आए, राइट, क्योंकि जैसे ही जो लेवल टूटेगा वो आपको अलर्ट आएगा। अगर मंडे को भी वो सेम लेवल टूट रहा है, अगर मान के चलिए पूरे वीक में 4875 5 बार क्रॉस हो रहा है, स्टॉक 5 बार क्रॉस कर रहा है, तो आपको 5 बार अलर्ट आएंगे। सो दिस इज फॉर दोज हु आर स्टिकिंग टू द सिस्टम, हु आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑलवेज, दे आर ट्रैकिंग द मार्केट सेकंड बाय सेकंड एंड दे कैन टेक अ bet when the exact level is broken, okay. So this is the scanner to watch with the naked eyes. However, this is not the case with this scanner, and this scanner is going to be really expensive because from Monday onwards I am going to go live with this. I have been trading since last 2 months on this scanner. Bumper profits in real time scenario, I will tell you, and I'm taking really big quantities, right, like 50,000 quantity and 100,000 quantity, like that. So इसमें मैं इन दोनों स्कैनर्स में आपको ओके, ये दोनों स्कैनर्स सेम स्ट्रैटेजी पे हैं, बस डिफरेंस इतना है कि ये एफएनओ का सेगमेंट है एंड दिस इज द कैश सेगमेंट। और कैश की अगर हम बात करें तो देखिए मैं आपको बता देता हूं कि व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। See guys, so charting allows you to run your scanner on any particular segment, okay। यहाँ पर अगर हम क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको बहुत सारे सेगमेंट आ जाएंगे, कैश, बैंक निफ्टी, ईटीएफ, फ्यूचर, गोल्ड ईटीएफ, एटसेट्रा। सो this scanner, I have applied this strategy on the future segment. So if I want to take a bet, because I am a pure option buyer, right, so if I have to take a bet on options, I should get only those stocks which are in F&O segment, okay. But if somebody wants to pick a stock in cash market, so मैंने उसको कैश में ना अप्लाई करते हुए, बिकॉज कैश में हमारे पास अगर आप देखेंगे तो कैश में सॉरी देखिए, कैश में हमारे पास कैश मार्केट में बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स हैं, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1788 स्टॉक्स जो कि इसमें फिल्टर होके आ रहे हैं। अब आप इसमें देखेंगे कि इसमें स्टॉक्स जो हैं ₹1.30 के भी स्टॉक हैं। सो वी डोंट वांट टू ट्रेड ऑन दी स्टॉक्स। और इसमें आप देखेंगे कि आपको वॉल्यूम, बहुत सारे जो ETF जैसे स्टॉक्स हैं, ठीक है, इसमें आपको वॉल्यूम ही नहीं होता। सो वी डोंट वांट टू ट्रेड दो स्टॉक। 17 का वॉल्यूम में 27 के क्या ट्रेड करेंगे आप, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज ऑलवेज बेस्ट टू अप्लाई द स्कैनर ऑन निफ्टी 500। I mean, this is for those as well whosoever is looking to trade in कैश मार्केट। आपके पास कोई अपना भी स्कैनर है, आप इसको कैश पे लगाते हैं, तो कैश पे ना लगा के इट इज जस्ट एन एडवाइस कि आप निफ्टी 500 पे लगाइए। उसमें आपको बेस्ट स्टॉक्स मिलेंगे ओनली 500। Okay, so I deleted this once again. Latest close greater than number 20 लगा लीजिए। ओके, सो लुक एट दिस, यहाँ पर आपको 494 स्टॉक्स फिल्टर होके आ रहे हैं। सो इन सभी में अच्छा वॉल्यूम रहता है, ठीक है। जैसे भारत रसायन है, इसमें 1349 का है, तो ऐसे वॉल्यूम वाले स्टॉक भी आपको मिलेंगे। हाउ एवर इफ़ वी विल हैव अ लुक, यहाँ पर ऐसे वॉल्यूम वाले भी स्टॉक्स मिलेंगे। तो आपको यहाँ पर एक अलग से सेक्शन भी मिलेगा जिसमें वॉल्यूम है, मैं अभी ऐड कर दूंगा उसको, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पर आप वॉल्यूम की तरह से भी, और ये स्कैनर आपको बिना वॉल्यूम के स्टॉक फिल्टर होके ही नहीं देगा। हालांकि इस स्कैनर की स्ट्रेटेजी में कोई वॉल्यूम का क्राइटेरिया नहीं लगा हुआ। आई हैव नॉट एडेड इवन अ सिंगल पैरामीटर लाइक RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, because I hate indicators, as simple as that, right? So I have not applied any indicator. I have not applied the volume. However, when the stock is filtered, there would definitely be a volume. There is no way wherein the volume would not be there. Look at this. आरती इंडस्ट्रीज 931 पे आया, 941 का हाई आपको मिल गया। 32 पे आया अशोक लीलैंड 137.50। कल मैंने अशोक लीलैंड में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 17,000 का प्रॉफिट लिया था, लेकिन जल्दी बेच दिया लुकिंग एट द मार्केट बिहेवियर। सो 571 पे बाय करने के लिए सन टीवी बोला 583 गया, 1999 पे बोला 2084 गया दीपक नाइट्राइट। सिमिलरली कैश, अब कैश की अगर हम बात करें तो कैश में जैसे एंड्योरेंस को देखेंगे हम, राइट? एंड्योरेंस आपको 1715 पे आया, 1750 का हाई इसमें गया। सो दीज आर द कैश स्टॉक्स, एंड्योरेंस इज नॉट इन फ्यूचर, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पर देखिए 1715 पे जब निकल के आया स्टॉक, यहाँ पर इस लेवल पे निकल के आया, और 1715 के बाद आपको इसने 1740 का रेट मार दिया। बट अगर हमें इमीडिएट 10 पॉइंट का भी, बड़े स्टॉक में 5 पॉइंट का भी प्रॉफिट मिलता है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लीव इट provided we are taking a bet in quantity. So these are two again scalping scanners, and how these are going to work I will show you in the live market. So stay tuned guys. आप पॉज करके इन सारे रेट्स को, यहाँ पर लिखा है क्लियरली बाय अबव टुडेज हाई, प्राइस एंड परसेंटेज चेंज, जाइए चार्ट्स पे चेक कीजिए कि हाउ वाज द परफॉर्मेंस। एंड मोर ओवर दिस इज नॉट इट, आई एम गोइंग टू show the results in live market with the real profits and loss, and I will taking a bet in front of you in the live market, ठीक है। सो लाइव मार्केट की वीडियोस मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपको सेम डे पे 3:30 के बाद मिल जाएंगे from Monday onwards. So stay tuned guys, keep watching, and contact me if you need any scanner from me. And one more thing guys, I don't make customized scanners, right? Because you guys are going to ask for the indicator based strategies, which I really don't like it. और मैं किसी भी इंडिकेटर पे कोई भी ना तो सजेशन देता हूँ, और ना ही किसी भी इंडिकेटर पे मैं स्ट्रैटेजी बना के देता हूँ। अगर आपके पास प्राइस एक्शन की कोई बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्ट्रैटेजी है तो आपको मैं कस्टम स्कैनर बना के दूंगा, अदरवाइज। और मुझे आज तक जितने भी लोग कांटेक्ट कर चुके हैं, एक ने भी प्राइस एक्शन की बात नहीं की है, राइट? सो आई रियली लाइक दोज पीपल दोज हु आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन। इंडिकेटर बेस्ड तो सब नॉनसेंस है, राइट? जो कर रहे हैं लेट देम डू इट। इफ दे आर गेटिंग प्रॉफिट, वेल एंड गुड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, राइट? कीप अप द गुड वर्क, कीप डूइंग इट वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, प्रोवाइडेड यू आर इन प्रॉफिट ओवरऑल। आपने 4 दिन प्रॉफिट कमाया, 2 दिन का प्रॉफिट बराबर कर दिया, 2 दिन बाद प्रॉफिट बराबर कर दिया, तो दिस इज नॉट अ प्रॉफिट। सो एनीवेज, हैप्पी वीकेंड गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड टेक केयर।